A camping trip isn't complete without a fire pit. A good fire pit not only keeps you warm, but also creates the perfect atmosphere for gatherings, cooking, or just relaxing under the stars. But choosing the right fire pit can be tricky with so many options on the market. In this video, I'll be sharing the 10 best camping fire pits available right now, so you can pick the one that best suits your outdoor adventures. Number 1. Outland Living Camping Fire Pit. The Outland Living Camping Fire Pit is a top choice if you're looking for a propane-powered fire pit that's easy to use and highly durable. It's made from alloy steel with stainless steel accents and weighs about 23 pounds, making it portable enough for most camping trips. It measures 19 inches in diameter and height and uses a 20-pound propane tank with a max gas supply pressure of 250 pounds per square inch. This fire pit is CSA approved, ensuring safe outdoor use, and it even comes with a 1-year warranty. Next up is the Solo Stove Camping Fire Pit. Designed with stainless steel and a clever 360-degree signature airflow system for maximum burn efficiency. It's slightly larger at 22 inches in diameter and 17 inches tall, yet it's incredibly lightweight at just 7.4 ounces, which makes it perfect for backpacking or easy transport. It also features a removable ash pan, so cleanup is simple. Number 3. Outview Camping Fire Pit. The Outview Camping Fire Pit is made from stainless steel and weighs about 21 pounds, making it a solid yet portable option for your campsite. It measures 19 inches in diameter and 16 inches tall, providing a nice, compact size for most outdoor setups. One of its standout features is the removable ashtray, which makes cleanup after a cozy night by the fire quick and hassle-free. This fire pit is perfect for campers who want a sturdy, easy-to-maintain option without sacrificing portability. Next, we have the Kay's Camping Fire Pit. Built with alloy steel and stainless steel. It measures 20 inches in diameter and 10 inches tall and weighs 23 pounds, making it a solid, stable choice for outdoor use. This model features foldable legs, which makes setup and storage simple. It's also CSA certified and rust-proof, ensuring safety and durability. Fueled by propane, it offers a clean and controllable flame, making it ideal for campers who prefer a propane-powered fire pit over wood. Number 5. EcoNook Camping Fire Pit. The EcoNook Camping Fire Pit is a stainless steel, smokeless fire pit that's perfect for campers who want a clean and efficient burn. It measures 17.3 inches in diameter, 16.4 inches tall, and weighs around 16.7 pounds, making it easy to carry. Its foldable feet make setup and storage simple, while the smokeless design ensures you can enjoy the warmth and ambiance without the smoke bothering you or others around. If you're after a lightweight, eco-friendly option, this one is worth considering. Number 6. DeVoco Camping Fire Pit. If you want a large, versatile fire pit, the DeVoco Camping Fire Pit is an excellent choice. Made from iron, it measures a generous 32 inches square and 14.4 inches tall and weighs 30 pounds. This fire pit isn't just for fires. It's a 3-in-1 design, functioning as a fire pit, barbecue grill, or even an ice bucket for drinks. It also comes with a waterproof cover to protect it from the elements. If you want a multi-purpose, heavy-duty option for larger groups or backyard camping, the DeVoco Fire Pit is a standout. Number 7. Yahitek Multifunctional Fire Pit. The Yahitek Multifunctional Fire Pit is a large, wood-burning option that's both versatile and durable. Made from metal, it measures 32 inches square by 19.5 inches tall and weighs around 22.8 pounds. This 3-in-1 design works as a fire pit, barbecue grill, or temporary cooler, making it ideal for larger camping groups. Its heat-resistant construction and large capacity ensure that it can handle both cooking and warming a gathering with ease. Next is the Flame King Camping Fire Pit. Made from steel coated with enamel, it has a 24-inch round bowl, measuring 24 inches in diameter and 12 inches tall, and weighs 27.3 pounds. This model runs on propane, offering a smokeless flame that's safe and clean. It also features self-igniting functionality and comes with a weather-resistant cover for protection. If you're looking for a reliable, smokeless, and easy-to-use propane fire pit, the Flame King is a strong contender. Number 9. Outview Camping Fire Pit. The Outview Camping Fire Pit is a large, wood-burning option designed for serious campers. Made from iron, it measures 36 inches in diameter and 26 inches tall and weighs 35 pounds. This model is a 3-in-1 design, functioning as a bonfire, barbecue, and table. It includes 360-degree swivel grills, rust-resistant construction, a fire lid, a fire poker, a waterproof cover, and 2 cooking grates. Everything you need for versatile outdoor cooking. If you want a robust, multifunctional fire pit for larger gatherings, this Outview model is an excellent choice. Number 10. Tiki Camping Fire Pit. Finally, the Tiki Camping Fire Pit is a stainless steel, smokeless fire pit with a 4-foot heat radius, perfect for warming a group. It measures 25.5 inches in diameter and 17.7 inches tall and weighs 32 pounds. Its weather-resistant cover protects it from the elements, while the smokeless design ensures a clean, comfortable fire experience. If you want a large, efficient, and low-smoke fire pit for camping or backyard use, the Tiki Fire Pit delivers. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for propane-powered convenience or lightweight portability, there's a fire pit here to match your camping style. For latest prices and more details, I've added links in the description below. Check them out to find the perfect one for your next adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more research-based outdoor gear reviews.